SteamOS is marketed as a gaming-focused operating system designed to give players a smoother and more console-like experience. But the real question is, can it actually enhance your gaming experience? Now, to be fair, SteamOS is not just another random gaming project. It's built specifically around gaming and powers devices like the Steam Deck. What it does well, gaming-first design. The whole operating system is built around launching and playing games quickly. Great controller experience. The interface feels much more console-like than a traditional desktop setup, where the hype falls apart. Not every game works perfectly. This is the biggest issue. Some games, especially those with certain anti-cheat systems, may not run properly. Windows still has broader compatibility. Many games and software tools are built primarily for Windows. Learning curve exists. Users coming from traditional PC setups may need time to adjust. So, can SteamOS enhance your gaming experience? Short answer, yes, for many gamers. If your focus is mostly gaming and you like a console-style experience, it can feel smoother and simpler. But if you need maximum compatibility for everything, there are trade-offs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.